The Tragedy of Julius Caesar by William Shakespeare. Cast of characters. Julius Caesar. The triumvirs after the death of Julius Caesar are Octavius Caesar, Marcus Antonius, and M. Aemilius Lepidus. Senators Cicero, Publius, Poppaeus Laena. The conspirators against Julius Caesar are Marcus Brutus, Cassius, Casca, Trebonius, Ligarius, Decius Brutus, Metellus Cimber, Cinna, Flavius and Marullus are tribunes of the people. Artemidas of Syndos is our teacher of rhetoric. There is a soothsayer. Cinna is a poet. There is another poet. Friends to Brutus and Cassius are Lucilius, Titinius, Massala, a young Cato, Voluminus. The servants to Brutus are Varro, Clitus, Claudius, Strato, Lucius, Dardanius. Pindarus is a servant to Cassius. Calpurnia is wife to Caesar. Portia is wife to Brutus. The ghost of Caesar appears, as well as senators, citizens, guards, attendants, servants. The time is 44 BC. The setting is Rome, the camps near Sardis, and the plains of Philippi.